Hi friends, today we will going to continue with the writing the front-end logic using the backend API of the product. We are going to do the here uh, get the product information like product data from backend API to uh, backend data to frontend. I'm going to show the that I'm going to show the in the form of card-like structure in the front end. For the first, I'm going to open the my environment. Here I'm going to open the code. My workspace here like my uh, previously I have written the one code called app component. If I want to run this application, npm cd product card app, npm run start, npm run start. If you want to see this, open the browser, localhost 1234 with the server. Product card app, it is coming from the HTML page. If you want, can see in the index.html. If you want to see this, if you want to delete this one, we can delete h1. See app component. In the app component, I'm going to do the one layout. Here, I'm going to create one layout heading.js. I'm going to take as a props like heading. I'm going to take props written. Heading. I'm going to take a h1 heading props and Lawrence and Google it. Lawrence if some test generator. Some generated test I'm going to take here. Copy this. Export this one. Export default l- layout. Spelling mistake is layout heading. Change here also layout heading. If you want to import like layout heading, I'm writing as a here heading called product in the string form product card app. If you want to see that, you can see product card app. If I want to take one color like class, not class, I'm going to take inline style, light blue, padding is 10 pixel, white color or orange take instead of light blue, orange take. Okay. Like paragraph also, inline style, light, coral, padding, n pixel, font size 14, 14 pixel, like 16 pixel, color, light blue. Not to take red color, not good, orange color, not good, blue color. Okay, good. Here it is a one component, layout is one component. In this, I'm going to take app, not app, uh, product container. I'm going to take container.js. Before taking, I'm going to write here first fetch logic. Here I'm going to use the two things like useState and useEffect. These are two functions, two built-in predefined functions present in the React. This React common library. useEffect I'm going to use. useEffect is used like it is called when the component is rendered. This app component when it is rendered, this useEffect will be called fetch. Here I'm going to write the one function called fetch products. From this from these products, const fetch products equal to async. Here I'm going to use the promises. That's why I have written it is as a async. For responses, a wait of fetch logic. For this, I'm going to write here as a backend logic, backend URL or backend API. For this, I'm going to start the I'm going to start this backend Node.js application, Node.js backend application, npm run dev. See, server is running with the port 67744. Go to the our VS Code terminal. Here I am going to take a one constant file. I have written as a export const base URL. I have written localhost column 6774 is the our base URL. In the app.js, I'm going to write this as a this port, this URL with base URL slash products. Our API is products. From this, I'm going to get the data. If you want to see this, console this response. Go to the browser and inspect this. Inspect this console. See, response we got. From this response, I'm going to get the call the one more method called const. One more method called using this response. I'm going to call one more method called JSON method. This JSON method also gives the data of our API data. This JSON method also on type of promise only. If you give without giving this await and console this data, console console.log of data, if you go to the browser, see, you will able to see the promise. If you want to make this promise into the data, I'm going to use the await. See, I got the data. If you reload this, I got the data. Data it is coming from the server, or you can call this as a JSON also. JSON. See, you got that this data. The await response.json. From this we got the data. If you see, if without giving this data, to only give the console.log of JSON give, it will give the entire API. Like what is the data status? It contains data, message, and status and success message. Success or boolean or not. Boolean like true or false. It is giving the true or false. If you give the only, if you want only product like products content, we got the two things like two products are there. One is the men's cloth, second one is the women's saree. These two things. If you want to hold this, like if you want to hold this data, we are going to use the useState. UseState is the one of the function present in the React common library. Using this, we are going to hold this data. Const products must set products. Products is the it will give the and it will give the data present in the use state, and it will using this second set products. We are going to set the like we are going to set the data using this. Here, after consoling this, I'm going to put the data JSON dot data into these products. If you want to show the data, I'm going to use the JSON dot stringify of products. See this. Okay, not required. See, we got the products information. This is the first product. See, after this, one more underscore ID is second product. One more ID is second product. I'm going to pass this data into the products container. Products container. Go to the products container. I'm going to write the logic uh, const product container. Return done this. Here I'm going to write the like how to show the data in the form of card structure. For here I'm going to take the products as the data from here. Products container products is equal to products. If you want to show here JSON dot stringify of products. Okay, remove this. See, add again. Here, I'm going to create one more component called product card. Product card component, product of products of zero. Products of zero. src product card.js. Actually, I have not created. I'm going to create this one. Remove this. Const remove index.js remove index.html remove. Here const product card return product card export default product card. Here import the product card. Import a product card from product card dot slash product card. If you go to the once again, we got the product card component. Here in this we will get the product. From this product we are getting the name, description, name, description, image URL, name, description, image URL, and quantity. These things it contains equal to product. Destructuring from the product. If you want to see console this, then console of product. See, and if you want ID also, ID is not required here. Here I am writing the class of product card. In this product card, I'm going to take the two things. One div is for product header, one div is for product card header, one div is for product card header, one div is for product card body. I'm going to create here, not here, new file index.css body and link this. In the JavaScript itself, I'm going to link app index.css. Here also I'm going to write one div. It is called product container. In this container, it contains the different cards. Here, first thing I'm going to write the src image URL and alternative is equal to image and class equal to image I'm going to take. In this second, I'm going to take name h3 section heading 3 quantity of quantity. P section description of description. If you open this, index.css from index.js, why it is coming. Okay, once again, stop the server, not this one. Stop the front end server, delete this one, some catch in problem, delete this one, and npm start. Once again, run the application. Did you mean index.js or I think that have created outside the outside that's why it is showing the okay now it is built. Product as name as it's in the undefined state. Why it is showing undefined product it is contains in the product container it contains to the VS code in the app section due to this. For that I'm going to write one more logic called if product not of product equal to loading return then h1 loading. Here I'm going to take set timeout function called after 500 milliseconds I'm going to call this function. See, product is not defined where it is. Cannot destructive product or the name of the product as it is. And the product card once comment this one. Okay, one more thing I'm going to write products dot length greater than 0. Oh, sorry, equal to 0. It show loading. Cannot destructive property name of as it is undefined. product dot name, product dot quantity, and product dot image URL, and product dot description. If you see, got this one. Okay, we got now. For this, I'm going to write the index.js product dot container dot product hyphen container display grid template columns one fr one fr, and I'm going to copy this one and place it into product container. We got like this. After this, product card. From this border I have taken with 100% I have taken radius. Radius I have taken. Product card, product card hyphen header with here only with I'm taking 100%. Product card dot product card header dot image. We go to this, we got like this. And copy this one also. Body. Place it this one here also. If you open this one, we got one data. If you want second data also, if you want second item also, in the product dot container, copy this one, place. See, if you see this, we are getting 8 call. If you want to increase one more, see, data we are getting. Instead of 0, I'm going to take the 2. 1, product of 1 here, like this. Instead of I'm decreasing this one using the dynamic code of maps. Products dot map of return product card slash product equal to product. See, we got the data using the dynamic code. If it contains 3 products, we will get the 3 cards. If it contains the 4 products, it will give the 4 cards. Like this, we are going to do the application. We are getting the data. If you want to in the future, if you want to create a one product, means we are going to write the form, like we are going to write one form, and we are going to write the data, and in the data will go to the server, and server will gives the response to again like this data. One more data, if you want to store the kids information like kids data, uh, kids clothes and kids wears, it will give the one more called kids wear, like kids wear, and quantity is 5, like description give the something. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.